Do something else.
Oh, wait.
We're gonna eat, cookie dough, right?
Yeah, well, wait,
reaction.
isn't this not healthy?
Yeah, probably not, but one.
Alright, I'm trying to die, so.
Whatever. I don't like it. I like dead. Come on, make it happen.
Pick a card, any card.
The Jack of Clubs.
I don't have a check.
How did you do that? That's half the deck. How did that stay so perfectly? Wow, Mason's magic.
He's drawing an album in the river.
We're in the witch.
She's like,
We're in the wind.
oh my god, wait.
Wait, is your game
Oh my god, that's so talented.
Is your game moving?
No, we haven't started.
Oh my god.
Watch,
This
all
is
stay together.
Under the...
Holy. Whose man is this?
Vlogging first. I only have time for my child, my channel. I do not have time for you little rats. I can't eat, I love you. The rumors are true. I'm here. Don't stop vlogging now. Are you vlogging now?
Yes, I am.
Oh my god, my wrist. Oh, I think the devil got my wrist.
We're doing the devil has my arms, as Shane Dawson would like to say.
Oh my god.
Oh!
It worked! Ready, set, go. You look like this small little child. Oh my god, you look like a little child just standing there. Okay, but little childs don't say that word. 3, 2, 1.
I just don't feel anything. Oh.
The devil!
That's all I got. Okay, so I just got home, dropping David off. We've been watching YouTube all night. We were watching Shane and the Spooky Boys. We were watching Scary Ones, so I was a little on edge anyway. And we are driving, just talking about normal stuff, blah, blah, blah. And all of a sudden, this like shooting star comes like out of nowhere. Okay, you're thinking, shooting star, what's the big deal? No. This thing was so bright and it stayed in the sky like a little longer. Like I was driving and I saw it. And it wasn't like, just like, whoom. It was like, whoom, but it stayed there. So yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but it was like, oh my god, we were literally sitting there like waiting for a big boom. It was so creepy. It sounds so stupid. It sounds like a shooting star that we saw. They're plotting my death. Yesterday, it was 64 degrees out. Today, it's freaking snowing. What the hell, Iowa? What the hell?
Play these in order and then pass them out.
Oh, okay.
You're right, they do.
Ew. Put Justin Bieber over him. I'm not even a big fan of Justin Bieber, but it's better than Jake Paul.
Yeah, even T-Swizzle.
Put T-Swift.
We ain't picky.
Hamilton. Ooh, Hamilton.
No, ooh, this.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
One.
No one wants Jake Paul merch.
No go.
No go on the Jake Paul.
Hey guys, that's the end of my week. I'll see you guys next week.
Do it! And then
Yes, we're watching Vines. What do we do in our spare time? We watch Vine compilations. What is life?